The Liberty 4 Pro Wireless Earbuds stand out as a feature-rich product, offering a powerful combination of sound quality and smart functionality. The headline feature, 7-sensor noise cancelling, automatically recalibrates every 0.3 seconds, adapting to different environments for a seamless audio experience. This ensures that external noise is effectively minimized, allowing for clear and immersive listening, whether you're in a busy city or a quiet room. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Upon unboxing, the package is simple and neatly organized. Inside the box, you'll find the Liberty 4 Pro earbuds, a charging case, and a selection of 6 pairs of silicone ear tips in sizes ranging from extra small to extra large, with the medium size pre-installed for your convenience. Also included is a USB-C charging cable for quick power-ups. This comprehensive selection of ear tips ensures a perfect fit for any ear size, enhancing both comfort and sound isolation. Sound quality is enhanced with dual drivers and LDAC support, enabling users to experience 3 times more detailed sound with high-res audio certification. This ensures that music lovers can enjoy every note with a richer, more accurate representation of their favorite tracks. The earbuds also impress with their convenience. Experience premium sound with the Liberty 4 Pro Wireless Earbuds, now available in matte white, glossy black, and glossy blue. The smart case display provides an intuitive touch bar that simplifies control, while fast charging technology allows for quick power boosts. Just 5 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of playtime. With a single charge, the earbuds last for 10 hours, and the included charging case extends that to a total of 40 hours, offering excellent battery life for users who are constantly on the go. These earbuds are also built to withstand the elements, featuring an IPX5 water resistance rating, making them suitable for workouts or rainy day commutes. This durability, combined with their advanced features, makes them a great choice for those looking for versatile, high-performance wireless earbuds. Overall, the Liberty 4 Pro offers excellent sound, convenience, and smart features, making them an attractive choice for audiophiles and tech enthusiasts alike. The unboxing experience is smooth and well thought out, giving users everything they need to start enjoying their music straight away. Enjoy our Fall Prime Day price lock, plus a free travel case with your purchase for the first 3 weeks. Click the link below to learn more. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.